Enkuyanja y'abantu kurwa mushonda n'enshonda z'ihanga izooba rya nyomwebazyo omumwebazyo berundanira ha kanisa ya St James Cathedral omuri Ruharo Mbarara okushabira no kwinamira omubiri gw'owabaireho omuramuzi omu kooti enkira zoona Justice Alfred Karokora. Ishabaramuzi Justice Katurebe asimira emirimo y'Omugyenzi Justice Karokora eyakorira ihanga hamwe no gumana abakwasa no bwabire yahumwira emirimo y'enkomuramuzi.
Join us even after you retire. You continue to attend all our functions of the division. The opening of the lawyer, annual judges conference, he would come. Any training, he would come. You invite him to show his commitment to his profession, to his love, to his daughter.
Abana be nabo bagambira harishebo nk'omuntu obire nabakunda omuntu w'abantu kandi omushija obire ababerire cyo kureberaho kandi arukunda entunguka.
Incredible opportunity to have this with our father in terms of the way that was very intentional and purposeful in raising us up as a great dad.
All the time, so, but for us we need to listen. Every time I sit and I want to sleep, I think about him sleeping, and I sit and I keep away.
Bishop Dr. Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa omukuburira asimira Omugyenzi ahabwo kuba omushije manzi kandi nahabwo kushara emishango y'abantu ati no kugwera orubaju.
Weno kushita myaka cyana oyikorire bintu ebyo byona eje gushabeirwe kandi keka ni muri kakarika simarahanga kureba kwakize myaka iki.
Bamwe mu bantu abashiraho kushaboko basimira Omugyenzi Karokora nk'omuntu obirariye cyo kureberaho mu ihanga.
N'abantu twakuzentureba bari abantu nka mentor ninga shoro model mu society bekitinisa bakuhabura kuri uyu mushobe na kweta na guidinga.
Omugyenzi Karokora aferira ha myaka 82 y'obukuru kandi abira amazire myaka 23 arokora n'ekitongore ky'aramuzi. Omubiri gwe nugwija kutwarwa mu maka g'entura izooba rya nyenkyakare orwakashatu omu maka g'omuri Ruharo Mbarara. Aha bwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.